Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, and today we're going to make some marketing materials, yard signs using Staples Copy and Print and Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's go into the computer and I'll show you how to do that.
All right, so let's get into it. I used Microsoft PowerPoint to make those yard signs. So to start, I opened up a blank presentation. I closed out of these, text boxes, and the first thing I did was inserted a picture. So two ways of doing that, drag and drop, or file insert. So what I used was some of our logo files, and I dragged it in. First thing is resized it. And then based on the size, you can crop, bring it in a little bit. So that you could get it to kind of fill up the whole square. And then what's kind of neat is you can get the guidelines for being centered in PowerPoint. Now, obviously, I choose to use this program. You can use whatever you want. So I like that size, so we're gonna recrop to kind of bring the edges back out. So there's our kind of foundation. Next, we're gonna generate a QR code, right? We want them to I want them to go to our website. That's my goal of this sign, is to get them to be aware of us, find us, and find our location. So I Googled a QR code reader generator, and I have our website here. So we will copy our link into the QR code generator, and you can pick all sorts of different styles of QR codes if you want. Not a fancy person, so we can download the QR code if you want to use it for other projects and things like that. We'll just copy this image to a clipboard, resolution, and here we will paste it in. Now again, we'll resize this, something that obviously is big enough to capture on a yard sign. So hopefully relatively large. What else did I have? I had a banner, Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, kind of down below. We see that, but what are you trying to? You need to grab their attention, right? So let's insert a text box, and that's where Dad suggested we add something up top, and we filled with white. Center. It says choose and cut. Beyond that is all we should need. Pick your different font. For most of my YouTube channels and things like that, I've been using this font right here, and we need to make it a lot bigger. And we'll center that as well. Bring it up. The next thing we had was kind of some contact information in this corner. So again, another text box. We had our address. And our phone number. Alright, again, keep things consistent. Font and size, make it big enough to read. Let's go like that. Alright, and as easy as that is, we have our basic sign foundation made. So now we're going to highlight everything, Control A, we'll right click and we'll save as picture. And now we gotta find a location to store it. Obviously wherever you want. I made a little folder just for this video. And then I usually save as a JPEG. We'll save it. Alright, from here we're going to go to Staples Copy and Print Marketing, their website, all products, and we want to do a sign, yard sign, and you kind of create your own, upload a design. I think that's what we want to do. Pick your size, 18 by 24, 12 by 18, single-sided or double-sided, so you can see the thing. For yard signs, I feel you would want them double-sided. And we'll get started. So now we will upload that picture. I've made other things so we kind of see. Navigate to that location. Alright, and I said shrink to fit. And we would link front and back design. That way the front and the back look the same. And that's it. Now we would hit continue. It'll kind of show you what the front and back look like. For one sign is 22 bucks. And from here you kind of work through the checkout process. I know there's a couple warnings for these resolutions. I had the same warnings, and that's just size and maybe a little bit of fuzziness. On my signs, I verified that the QR codes work, and I can stand a pretty good distance away and scan them, and everything works fine.
And that's how I created my yard signs. I ordered 20 of them. I got double-sided. Obviously, it's a little extra, but kind of think about that depending on the location that you're going to place them. I ordered 20 of them. That's about a little over $400. They come with their stands, and my plan is, obviously to mark, kind of list out where they are so I can go pick them up after the season. No point in throwing away money. It's a very simple thing. One of the things that really made me kind of do this was a lot of our customers, have been living in towns close by and they didn't even know we existed. So that kind of irks me a little bit that I failed so bad in my marketing thing. So I'm hoping that this will help out with that. Easy enough, and there's a lot of other things to make too. Maybe we'll go through some of those things that I'm utilizing. So thanks for watching.